Oh, wow.
Hey everyone, today's episode features several chase stories, all captured from a police helicopter that was tracking the suspects from above. This one turned out really exciting. We've got everything from high-speed pursuits to some serious crashes on the road. Our first episode comes from the city of Delton, in a large residential neighborhood. Officers, along with the sheriff and a special task force, begin surveillance on a Honda Accord. Inside the vehicle are believed to be two suspects tied to recent shootings in the Delton area.
Yep, it's going Sullivan just past Apricot, heading towards Finland.
People at the house are going to give them a heads up, they're aware. Whoever's at section, fill in with sticks.
Passing Anchor now. That's pretty good.
We don't need to light it up if it was him, just stick it.
Merging on I-4 westbound now.
K942 is going to be getting on I-4 in 1 second.
He's merging on westbound now. Far inside lane now. Picking up speed.
Where's some other units there, Central? I'm all by myself here. Getting out there 101C. Ron, I'm right behind you. Behind you. I don't want any more than 2 units behind that car. Hey, be ready if he bangs at you. He's stick him when he comes back.
Eastbound on 46 now. Passing under I-4.
U-turn back towards westbound.
Spotting the surveillance, the two suspects try to flee in the Honda Accord. But the helicopter, which stays close to them the whole time, doesn't let them get away and helps coordinate the police response. Before long, the suspects end up at the federal interchange of Highway 46. By this point, several police cars and two unmarked marshals' vehicles have joined the pursuit. At one point, one of the marshals' cars tries to block the Honda's path by cutting across, causing a collision. The suspect's car comes to a stop, and Officer Don Maxwell sustains minor injuries. He's taken to the hospital but released soon after. The arrest goes down without any further resistance. Inside the Honda, they find a loaded handgun, which is recovered from the scene. After receiving medical attention, both suspects are taken to jail. The next episode takes place in Oklahoma City. Nearby, in the town of McLeod, an officer spots a suspicious pickup truck. Even without being ordered to pull over, the driver floors it the moment they see the police, ignoring every command to stop. A police helicopter happens to be in the area and quickly joins the pursuit, assisting ground units.
Oh! Oh, wow. Yeah, Kevin, sorry.
Yeah, he's westbound. We believe there may be 2 people in the truck now. As usual, incredible video. This car rolled all the way over and now is still westbound on I-40 as they're still trying to take this car out. There's nobody behind it. We've got 4 patrol cars, 2 more coming up, so hopefully they can put an end to this right here. This is a great time to put an end to it.
The pursuing officer, as the suspect merges onto the federal highway, executes a PET maneuver, trying to spin out the suspect's vehicle and bring it to a stop. But at that speed, the maneuver causes the suspect to briefly lose control, and he spectacularly slams into the barrier, flipping over in a dramatic crash. This doesn't stop him, but it does serious damage to the vehicle. He can no longer maintain high speed. The rest of the pursuit plays out at a much slower pace. Meanwhile, state police have already blocked off all exits from the highway. The suspect is cornered.
I don't know. Yeah, guys, can you hear me? Yeah, Kevin. The OHP or he's see the guy waving out the window. The problem they're having is this truck is a 4-wheel drive. It's jacked up. They cannot see in it. They're pulling up beside it, so this guy's waving them. I don't know what he's doing. You know, somebody might be hurt in there. I don't know. But as you can see, he's pulling over. Okay. Yeah, this would be a felony.
The long chase finally convinces the pickup driver, Floyd Grassa, to surrender to police. The man signals to officers with his hand and soon pulls over on the shoulder of the road. He and his female companion are arrested. Not everyone, however, was impressed with the officer's pit maneuver that caused the truck to flip over. Some felt it could have endangered other drivers. But in the end, no one was hurt. What do you think? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. We've got a new video every day with even more exciting stories lined up.